Homogaso umuya Getembe TV na Ekeonga kia mwamugusi andonsia sora karibu sana no kwegena kwane no gendete kwegokia gwetera imiroberio egendete kugochera sembia asina kwaliganiria semesa ya magana maya Chinsa Isano na Ibere titariki ne merongevere no yomo mutinyu mutangani mwaka bwechiri Ibere merongevere ne 5 erindo tonyare kurigereria nararia bereka wateka chingongo Chinsa amaretane njuli Kerubo norio kweneke muna chibicha nerio gingogo chira senchera yo gwekera nigakorwa havira kalili Oigo olio resensemo yebimanyererio nigakorwa Wilson Makori. Bono nigo abaiboli korwa Kisii Comprehensive School bagenda tokonyora maegerio igoro y'umuroberio muya OCBC aso mwalimu monene bwe school eyo no mokonyo yabasabira abaiboli go chamo elyo komanya umuroberio OCBC nabo igo babwaterane n'abalimu n'abana babo elyo konyora amachiba maya goseko kolia abana ba grade kianda gokoli ibuya asamatemu.
Tunasoma kuanzia junior mpaka senior ndio yamejumuishwa kwenye mviringo huo. Sasa ili kuelewe zaidi juu ya pathways tuanzie STEM katika shule yetu kwa sababu tuko hapo. In STEM tuko science, technology, engineering na mathematics. That's what we call STEM, for kubi science, technology, engineering na mathematics. Mwanafunzi akimaliza hiyo STEM hii ambayo tumesema ni science, technology, engineering and mathematics, the key learning areas. Naomba wale ambao wamechelewa mjue tulianzia wapi. In my introduction nilisema tunaenda wapi. Ni mkondo tofauti kabisa. Tunaenda wapi? Tuko grade 9. Tunaenda wapi? Tunaenda huko. Tunaenda STEM. Key learning areas ni pure science, hapo ni SS, career and technical studies, and then we have technical and engineering. Hiyo ni STEM bado. And then katika STEM hiyo pure science, mwanafunzi akifusu vizuri ana mikondo ifuatayo kama kazi yake ya siku za halafu. Anakuwa physicist, astronomer, nuclear physicist, chemist, mathematician, hydrologist, biologist and geologist. Hizo ndizo kazi mwanafunzi ambaye amefuata mkondo wa STEM atakuja kupata baada ya mafunzo.
Bono nigo abasaye babo ligo kurwanirira ibirogo siasa bakoragwa korwa somo cyo Nairobi na Vitali Subeya urese ekemanyekaine gosekeria ikirogo gekorwa wa Kenya ni yetu nigo atebire nere buya gwesoke kendabu iryo gokonya egesaku ky'omugusi boigo niga atebanga na kogikose kogikeria kisegi gose chinkwano chimbe kigendrete asensemo ya gusi na ateba muna muno mugusi ntobwenta go chamo iryo kubwaterana asense chinsemo cha siasa.
Robert umukaji Nairobi amagana y'umugambi atebire nababwate wait ekero umugambi oyo mago tena goteye president yakire gotara kubatenga ntuntu bwa umugambi gaiga aitari magana ari maya inkiago kora se kirugi kanyere tari mugambi because for one no mubungo jori kusoti mugiranga nanda gakore gazi abantu bakaranga na baise nane bakamamente tamwende lakini yotenenire hotel lakini what we believe tagotena kabo mubunge forever maybe nabwa tata political ambitions in the future ekarago jo goche gachiyo ngiago jo gototebia ata ngiago jo gototebia ona tagete nandi kuga abantu bamuria baswa ikaro batanga mugambi tai bona eningu okay ntuko kama hivi ngere bya ngiago lakini abagambi ndo batenga baro bare tepo bugusi lakini shide rugusi nene nejise ondeta yotagete ko onda amwete mutu abandi batete babere beye egekare ka twikirika kiyange yicukura kuko kando batebanga professionals bago kuranga professionals bari ka to kubaringere libuya ko bagwika baniki gasi bakora bakwerigeria boni ye bagirete ndore go mugumu gusibo kwanero lakini to 2025 2026 utakuwa mugumu gusito correct to jijamu bona kiro muntu gata gete go jabe kama
there is a serious mess. The reason why wezo korigeri angoro kinonye ne one leader obate ke totokorokana na ki mentorship program, because one thing I know, all leaders, their time is numbered. You cannot be a leader forever. The challenge with the leadership, I say to Naki, all leaders, they will be leaders forever. I will never be a leader forever in my capacity. For example, you see, number one, was a Roman wikirasa quality and auto I kilomo. One of them, Kerubo Kerubo within a Guatevanaki, Dubu at the Mogambi Kurusi. Akini Gusi and Yen, they take it to Moga. One only go to Gambia. A Cogeron Mogambi wins at Toma Bagato Gambirusi. Tacoman interest Chomokusi. Lakini Omokusi Nabuatemechan, and Nabuat interest. She actually very clear. No legal noise at a carrier. One of one day. Omokusi or Adnoyom. And that Karo Comori Museo, I know I'm going to a body choosing Anaki, and Jeremy to be Korwa and Samayama Som. Turkora was a Bongo no Womosi. Turkora was a Bongo no Womo Gambio or Ali. Your command is Angomontonaro.
Ni gobono abanyanyimbo babuligwe kwigore bigancha ibyo ebubiranya ko bakonya karubabwate mechando nabono karo obugima bogirigere tigokonga asigo nigo batebere buna okwigora kwe bigancha ebombo bakonya nonye kurwa ase ebirengererio.
This culture of saving, we should embrace it. The culture of it is for your own benefit. And Principal Secretary, sir, when you are sitting in those meetings that some of us, we cannot be in those meetings, propose for the cooperative syllabus to be in schools so that we introduce the young people to understand, to cultivate the culture of savings when they are still in primary, secondary, and even the university.
To develop and progress yourself and your family. Basics. Let us be good ambassadors of this institution.
Maiga yomo Principal Secretary bobokoreri gosebwa Mariogo hari kimtai na bakoreri bandi korwa sense Meria Sha kumerana nigo bona bagabana bate baboriri abanyagitari abugo koromogiro erinde bachikorigereria amaganyo abo.
This afternoon, between the Clinical Officers Council, which is a body equivalent to KMPDC, and we start the journey on how we can be able to empanel the clinical officers. It's not a plug and play. It will be an effort in futility to tell them they will start treating or being given rights authorization today. When the systems are being put in place. That is why we are saying it may take maybe a few days, it's not necessarily 2 weeks, it could be a week. But once this process kicks off, which is this afternoon, then there's no reason why they shouldn't go back to work, because what they have asked for is already in the pipeline and they are involved in implementation to be able to achieve what they wanted.
In terms of policy position, you've had the PS, we have the CEO of Social Health Authority. We recognize clinical officers as clinical officers. You know, they will be registered. You know, you can't tell the churches to be registered and an imam. You know, imams will be registered by NCCK. Clinical officers will be registered by the Clinical Officers Council. Doctors are registered by the Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentists Council, as per the KMPDC Act. Nurses by the Nursing Council.
Abarai korwa ase Chinsa mochiricha Western bakora omorai wekiama kia Roots George Wajakoya nigo bateba mnambagenderera komochia eserikali nebe serikali eri upinzani yabete goswa asobomo ne serikali enyene.
Kama hako kuna makosa, mimi ni ule mtu niko tayari kukosoa. Na kama serikali iko sawa, niko tayari kuipongeza. Sawa sawa. Hiyo ndio maana ya kuwa mbunge. Hamwezi kuwa mbunge wa kushangilia tu president. My work as a member of parliament is not to be a noisemaker around the president. Rais angekuja hapa alete ile mabarabara inatusumbua, atujengee hapa maji, mimi nitakuwa na yeye. Na hiyo mambo ya abduction iishe. Sawa sawa.
Wazazi ambao mko hapa, mtafikiria namna gani ikiwa mtoto wako amesoma, amefika chuo kikuu, amemaliza chuo kikuu, amepewa loan ya help, wakati anaenda kutafuta kazi, alipo hiyo loan anashikwa. Wanafunzi, mnasikia? Wazazi wengapi watakubali mtoto wao anashikwa badala
na ritukuri igoro ni go Donald Trump abeteka kutianigwa kuba murai bwemerongene na gatano na kabere uyo murai bwense meri ya US aseboigo abeteka kuira libagari ya Joe Biden ni go Donald Trump abeteka goteba buna ase ensemo ya gosobokoreri bwayo butangani ni ga guchikoikirani buna aba America gosaba abamenyi bense meyo babeire bakonyora amagenderero.
The golden age of America begins right now. From this day forward, our country will flourish and be respected again all over the world. We will be the envy of every nation, and we will not allow ourselves to be taken advantage of any longer. During every single day of the Trump administration, I will very simply put America first. And our top priority will be to create a nation that is proud, prosperous, and free. America will soon be greater, stronger, and far more exceptional than ever before. Wars defeated fascism and communism and triumphed over every single challenge that they faced. After all we have been through together, we stand on the verge of the 4 greatest years in American history. With your help, we will restore America, promise, and we will rebuild the nation that we love, and we love it so much. We are one people, one family, and one glorious nation under God. So to every parent who dreams for their child, and every child who dreams for their future, I am with you, I will fight for you, and I will win for you. We are going to win like never before. Thank you.
Umwancho murigereria ayuna yanda mange no chikonyanyora chikoraga Chinsa 10 asengo koganiria uburigererio buya wenge na nche Julie Kerubo oriana kya chibichanerio gincha gwikera senchira yo gwikira nigenkoro kwa Havira Karili boigorio enge sensemo yebimanyererio akoro kwa Wilson Makori.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi Nilan Hub